If you've been wronged at work and you're considering legal action, your first thought may be, let's go big. You may want to hit your employer with the largest number you can imagine, but here's the truth. That's not how winning cases works. In fact, asking for too much too soon can hurt your case more than help it. When employment lawyers calculate what to ask for in a lawsuit or during negotiations, they aren't just pulling a number out of thin air. They're thinking strategically based on legal limits, available damages, and the strength of your evidence. So why don't we just ask for $10 million right away? Because when you throw out a number like that, especially early on, it signals to the employer and their lawyers that you might not be serious. Or worse, that you don't understand how the legal system works. Negotiation is part psychology, part law. If the employer sees a reasonable and well-supported figure, they're more likely to stay at the table. Go too high, too early, and they may decide it's not worth the fight. And here's something many people don't realize. Employment law has damages caps. These are hard legal limits on how much you can be awarded, even if you win. And unfortunately, these caps are painfully low compared to other types of lawsuits. That doesn't mean you can't recover real money. It just means that you may not be able to recover millions, even if a jury awards that amount. That's why we start with a justifiable number, a number rooted in your actual damages, like lost wages, emotional distress, or out-of-pocket costs, and one that aligns with what the law allows us to recover. Legal negotiations are a process. A well-calculated starting point gives us room to maneuver and increases your chances of getting a fair, realistic outcome, whether in mediation, in settlement talks, or in front of a jury. We're not playing small, we're playing smart. Because in employment law, winning isn't just about being right, it's about being strategic. And the right asking point is where your power starts. Want to understand what your case is really worth? Book a consultation with our employment law team today. Visit SpiggleLaw.com to start your case review today.